Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat for both Android and iOS in 2025. Now dark mode makes the application easier on your eyes at night and it gives a sleek look. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to Snapchat application on your phone and make sure that you are signed in into your account. Now tap on the option of your Bitmoji here in the top left hand corner of the screen. Then tap on this gear icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to access the settings of your device. Over here, if you scroll down and tap on the option of app appearance, you are going to see the option of custom app theme. So over here you can tap on this option and this particular option is actually premium. So here you can select any of your customized themes, but you can see we have the option of always light. So you need to restart your Snapchat application in order to access the light mode. You will also have the option of always dark. So you can select this option. If you want to match it to your system, you can also tap on the option of match system so that it follows your iPhone or your Android device's default setting. So this way you will be able to enable the dark mode in Snapchat. Now you can also change these settings with the help of your notification bar. So if match system is your option, instead of coming here in your Snapchat application, you can just swipe down the notification bar and then tap on the option of dark mode here in the top. If you don't see this option over here, maybe it will be hidden. So tap on the three dots here in the top right hand corner of the screen, then select the option of edit tiles. Over here in the tiles, you are going to see all of your hidden tiles. So you can search for the dark mode tile and tap on that option in order to turn your system into dark mode, and similarly for the Snapchat application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.